Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road, just off the Trans-Canada Highway in Duncan, BC, in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2018 F-150 Lariat in Oxford white with a black leather interior and seating for 5. This 4-door pickup has a 5.5-foot box with a 5-liter V8 4x4 engine, as well as an FX4 off-road package, trailer tow package, and a sport package. It's easy to get into this truck. Just talk to our sales team. They'll be happy to take you out on a test drive. Storage cup holder and speaker in the door, as well as powered locks, windows, and mirrors. Your side view mirrors also power fold. Located just there are memory settings for 3 separate drivers. The driver also enjoys a powered seat with lumbar support. Just off to the side there you have your electronic parking brake, power pedals, and lighting controls. Just off to the side of your steering wheel you have power tilt and telescoping. Grab handle on the body to make it easier to get in, and on the face of your steering wheel you have dash controls, cruise controls, sync voice activated system, and MIDI controls with volume. This is a push start, so foot on the brake, key in the pocket, and press the start button. Up above on the dash is where you'll see any important messages. You have a menu you can toggle through: My View, Trip/Fuel, Truck Info, Towing, Off-Road, Settings, and these all have sub-menus. You have B&O stereo speaker system, as well as a little storage bin just up there. Hill descent, traction control, hazard lights, and auto start stop. You have a touchscreen media display screen. Hook over into audio, up into sources. You have AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, CD, and Bluetooth. You also have navigation. Click over into settings, slide across. You also have Wi-Fi hotspot. This is also where you will see your rear backup camera view when going in reverse. Below that you have volume and tuner and your CD player. Just below that you have dual climate control with front and rear defrost, as well as AC and max AC. Both driver and passenger enjoy heated and cooled seats. Couple of USBs in a little storage bin just there. Automatic select shifter and that drive mode button down there. Give that a press and it'll be shown up above on the dash. Normal, tow haul, snow/wet, eco, sport, and background to normal. Off to the side there you have your 4x4 with locking differential, Pro trailer backup, and integrated trailer brake controller. Off to the side there you have a couple of cup holders. This is also where you'll see your ambient lighting. In your armrest there's a clip on the end there. Give that a click. You have a little sliding and removable cubby there, as well as a 12-volt. Off to the side you have a 12-volt and a 110-volt, as well as a locking glove compartment. Up above, universal garage door opener. This button here slides your power back window, sunglass holder, lighting controls, and when you're ready to open up that sunroof, simply hold that button there to let in some light and air. 20-inch wheels, mud flaps, power retracting running boards, body colored door handles with intelligent access, keyless entry keypad, driver's side capless easy fuel gas filler, 5.5-foot box, power sliding rear window there, and those body colored door handles extend to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. Just above that forward badge is your backup camera. You also have sensors on your bumper, 4 and 7-pin connector, and a trailer tow hitch, as well as a locking spare tire. When you're ready to open up that tailgate, simply double click your key fob and it will open for you. You'll notice that it's nicely lined, and there's also tie downs in all 4 corners. You also have box link. There's a tailgate step to make it easier to get in. Your key fob also has remote start. Storage cup holder and speaker in the door, as well as powered windows. The rear seat has seating for 3 in a 60/40 split. When you're ready to access that cargo area, simply take your hand underneath the seat and push up until it clicks. When you're ready to put that seat back in its original position, simply take that clip and pull it until it sits back in its original position. At the base of the seat there you have anchors for baby seats. In the center, an armrest with retractable cup holders. On the floor, all-weather mats. Behind the front seats you have slim pockets. In the center there, a couple of cup holders, a 12-volt heated seats, a 110-volt, 2 USBs, and a couple of vents. Grab handles in the body to make it easier to get in. That power sliding window just behind there, and up above, lighting, hooks, and that panoramic view. Body colored bumper, mud flaps, 5.5-foot box, privacy glass with window vents, heated and powered side view mirrors with blind spot information system, rock shield hood, tow hooks, LED headlights, halogen fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.